Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find communities and channels in the AirAsia application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. You might need to wait a little until it loads in, but after that, once you're in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your screen, and in the middle you will find the chat option. Press on it. After doing so, you wait a little once again, and you can find communities up there. You can see the first option being Eskbo, the second communities, and if you press on it, you can see here a few communities up there, kind of like 6. And if you want to see more of them before you choose, you have to press the see more option at the top of your right corner, and here it will show you every community that you can join. In case you want to see channels in this application, the fourth option in the list is the channels option, and if you press on it, you can follow here different channels about the app. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.